Do you want to give us a briefing on what has happened?
Am I being recorded?
Yeah. It's being videotaped.
Oh, shit. I don't know where to start. Well, it all happened when I was going 45 miles per hour or more because I'm a maniac and I wanted to get back to the cab. But I fucked it up and we went spinning uncontrollably. I nearly had a conniption fit when, that's it, what happened. The police came. After many failed attempts trying to get out of the ditch, I broke down.
He left us for dead. The cop did.
The cop left us for dead, and we're going to have to eat John's genitals.
That's not showing up. We need
But
more light.
on the brighter side of things, I got a new pair of jeans.
There is a new pair of jeans that Dan got. You should show the jeans.
I'll show. Can you get a good close-up? Oh shit, they didn't even take this off. Well, great. Now we have to go back. I have to return these.
Fucking snake that a Machiavellian alliances in this fucking band. I don't even know where to begin. We were spinning and spinning and spinning before we even started spinning. It's fucked up. This is fucked. We're all fucked. We're all gonna die. And I wanna eat before I fucking die. Damn it.
There you have it. Let's watch it.